The China-Lao railway cuts through some of the most spectacular landscape in the country. It's a transport revolution in a country where many places still lack good roads. But for families in Kazi district in Vientiane province, the rail revolution isn't welcome. Villagers have built new homes on smaller plots of land and face drainage problems after rain.
อยู่หั่นก็บ่มีแต่อันเฮาปลูกสิเคอร์อื่นๆอยู่ในสวนเฮาบางนัดก็200ป่าอยู่ในดินเฮาไปหมดเลยที่ว่าสิปลูกเพื่อกินเองนี่แหละตัวนี้มันน้อยกว่าตัวเฮาตัวก็มัน600ป่า670ตารางเมตรเลยตัวนี้มีแต่400ป่า
More than 4,000 families are being uprooted by the 414-kilometre railroad. Radio Free Asia spoke to many families along the route with similar complaints of inadequate compensation. One prospective stop for Chinese visitors when the railway opens in December 2021 will be the tourist playground of Vientiane. It's already a popular destination for Koreans and Chinese who now outnumber the Western backpackers who once thronged here. A few miles south in Vientiane district, there's less fun to go around. This woman's young family have had to move house and they're out of pocket.
นี่เพิ่นให้เงินเท่าไหร่โครงการรถไฟให้เงิน
โอ้เห็นเงินน้อย
เท่าไหร่
ได้100ป้าย
เงินสร้างเท่าไหร่อันนี้เงินเท่าไหร่
โอ้สร้างหมดไร่เลยสร้างหมดไร่เงินหั่นเฮือนหั่นอยู่บ้านพุ่นก็ใหญ่เซาเฮือนเงินน้อย
Her husband says the house will cost double that. He works as a day labourer on the railway, which has provided income, but he's still sore. He says villagers have no choice but to move their homes.
เช่นครับเป็นต้องได้เฮ็ดบ้านเมืองเขาเฮ็ดนั่นแหละครับเฮ็ดไปตามถูกต้องกับสมมุติว่าให้มันได้ใจเขาบ่ได้ใจเฮาก็ย่าสินะเขาก็ส่วนธรรมดาเด้เฮาสิเป็นต่อต้านเขาหลายกับต่อต้านบ่ได้
From information gathered by RFA from local officials, at least 200 of the more than 4,000 families affected by the railway have received compensation. The Deputy Transport Minister did not respond to repeated calls seeking comment and a comprehensive assessment of what's been paid so far. The project is part of China's plan for a Pan-Asian railway that will run from Kunming to Singapore, but the Lao government risks unsustainable debt. It is financing its 30% stake in the $6 billion railway with loans from China. There will be a station north of the capital city. That could boost trade and bring Chinese visitors to Vientiane, where the economy has grown rapidly in recent years, even as rural areas lag behind. The railway would cross into Thailand via a new bridge close to an existing span across the Mekong River east of Vientiane. In fact, there's already a little-used train that trundles across the border and back twice a day. At Tanaleng Station, on a weekday, a half hour before departure, there were more cleaners than customers. Laos will be hoping that the high-speed Chinese railway will prove more popular.